To gain access to the primary charge roller on the drum, begin by using a flathead screwdriver to pry out the right side cover tab while lifting up on the bottom right tab as shown. Repeat the same procedure for the left side of the cover. Locate the last tab located under the PCR cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, release the tab by carefully pushing it inward, then remove the cover. To clean the roller, locate any white spots and scrape them off using a piece of paper as shown. To rotate the charge roller during cleaning, turn the silver metal portion of the roller on the far left side. To put the cover back on, place the cover over the charge roller at an angle and position under the inside tab. Align the drum pins with the cover's holes and snap the cover into place. Use your flathead screwdriver to rematch the inner tab to the cover as shown.